The Learnlife approach in general is to really kind of tackle big topics, big questions from a multidisciplinary approach. But numeracy, we have found there's really a very specific set of skills that are developed in numeracy, and there's a sequence in which that is done. And so we have a specific numeracy block that's called a NovaMat. A NovaMat happens to be the curriculum we use that allows kids to really dig deep, real deeply into kind of the concepts and the questions around mathematics, but it does follow a sequence in terms of those skills that are developed over time. For instance, right now in Explora, which is our building block that focuses a lot on what we would consider maybe the social sciences, kind of social studies, which encompasses current events and things that are happening in our world. And our learners are looking at sustainable fashion and designing sustainable fashion products. And so mathematics is all over that design, the measurement. And right now, if you walk into Explora, you see rulers and measuring tapes all over the place in terms of the design process there. In Connect, we look at a lot of scientific inquiry. And so again, the science behind, today I was reading their tree books. And so in all cases, they had to list like the height of trees, the stages of the growth and the leaves or the needles, and the mathematics behind all of that is embedded within that Connect building block. And then Imagine is where we see a lot of our mathematics. So for instance, we have a group building this house, and recently, and maybe this will be captured in the video, but recently I was asking them how they got this massive cardboard house to stand up, and each floor is a different holiday theme. And they talked about the balance required to not have this side of the cardboard collapse. So not just the measurement aspects of perimeter and area, but also the balance and the mathematical concepts there. And so it's embedded into everything we do, which allows them to really, really move forward with mathematics in a way that is engaging and exciting and driven by their passions and their desires. So in terms of delivery, we really approach it from kind of a essential question, a big picture, what are kids trying to tackle? So it's not going to be a learning guide or an instructor up in front delivering that content for 20, 30 minutes before learners are engaged in the process. It's quick, short bursts of new information with kids digging deeply into what that means. Or digging deeply into a question that allows them to get to, what do I need to know? What here do I need to know to solve this problem? So I think the more we can give kids problems that they really have to think deeply about, the more we are preparing them for the real world. And I like to hope that what gives us a robust mathematics program is the application of these core skills that are being taught in our numeracy block into all the other multidisciplinary building blocks that we have here.